Hi everyone, I'm a chef today, and I'm going to make cake. And look at my recipe book. It says here, I go to get a chocolate vanilla cake and then make it by myself. I don't need help. And I know which plate I need. The Dora plate. And I know which plate.
What are you making today?
Cake, because I'm a chef.
Okay, what kind of cake, chef?
A banana carrot cake.
Banana carrot. That's a yummy cake, huh?
That's Buddy's favorite and Monkey's favorite too.
Okay. No. What's the first thing to do when we make your cake?
First, we put cheese.
Okay.
Now,
Is this your flour?
Oh yes.
Can you show them your flour?
See, look at the flour.
This one? Oh no!
You just spilled the flour.
I'm sorry, chef.
It's okay. Next time, don't do that.
Okay, chef. So what do we need to do?
First, we gotta put flour.
Okay.
Just like I got this toy cake.
Let me
This
see.
is a cake.
Oh wow. This is
toy
strawberry cake?
No, it's not real strawberry cake. A cake button.
Okay.
Toy. And you press it like this when somebody says yay. Like this. That's how. I'm going to...
You're done?
No.
Okay.
First I gotta put flour. This is flour. And now I use the other flour. This is not flour. You know what this is?
What is that?
This is called... It is called wax. It's called wax.
Wax?
Yeah, wax.
What is the wax for?
My cake.
Okay.
You know why? Because I'm making a banana cheese carrot cake.
Okay.
That's Mousie's favorite. Monkey's and Bunny's favorite too. And I'm gonna put ginger ale in here.
Ginger ale.
You know why?
Why?
Because that makes it soft.
Oh, the ginger ale. Okay. That's interesting. So what else do we need to put in your cake?
Flour, and let's pretend this is flour. Did you see me put flour?
Can you sing for them while you bake?
No, I can only bake. You know why? Because I'm not a singer chef. I'm just a chef.
Just the chef. Okay, chef.
I'll need banana in there too.
Cutting the banana. You gotta tell them what are you doing to the banana.
You know what I'm doing to the banana? Cutting it so I can put it inside the cake.
Okay.
You know why? Because that makes it look yummy.
Yummy, yummy. So what else are we gonna do, chef?
And then we got to put a little filled with apples.
Okay.
Because that makes it even yummy and yummy and yummy.
Really?
And delicious. Okay, now I put apples.
What else do we need, Chef?
And then we got to mix. I'm mixing. You want to try a mix? Mix
No,
carefully.
thank you.
Come on, you gotta mix it carefully. I put the ginger ale. I'm gonna mix the ginger ale. Like this.
Is that everything, Chef, for your cake?
Uh-huh. I put ginger ale.
So are you gonna put it in the oven?
Of course.
For how long?
I want to take so long. Give me my oven mitten.
Okay. You want me to go with you in the oven?
Oh no. Yes.
Show it to everybody, okay?
See? Look at that. Now we gotta put it in the oven.
Okay.
I'll show you where my oven is. This is the oven. You know which
that's
oven?
your oven, okay.
You know which oven I'm going to put it in?
What's the temperature for your cake? For how long?
The temperature is this one.
Okay. Now we're gonna put it in the oven now.
I want a warm, hot cake.
Okay.
There.
And that's everything?
Yes.
Can you say bye-bye now?
Not yet.
Not yet?
This is the dough.
Okay.
This is now called the dough. Now we gotta decorate the cake.
Oh, you still have to decorate the cake. Alright.
Yeah. Just like I decorate the other cake. Now, first you get out the dough. And could you make it, and our chef, could you help me make it into a cake so I can decorate it?
Yeah, you can decorate it, you know.
I don't know. Yes, I can decorate, but I don't know how to make it cake shape. I only one vitamin to make. I'll use one of these vitamins to make the topping.
Okay, you tell them you'll be back, okay?
It'll be back.
Okay, say bye-bye to them now.
No!
Okay.
I just want that going on by itself. Yeah, and I'm going to, and our chef is going to help me make it inside cake shape. To decorate it.
Okay.
First, I put some frosting.
They can hear you. Look.
Chocolate frosting.
Okay.
And then decorate it, and then the topping. And what do you think?
Is that your final product?
Yeah, and I'll show you the oven where I'm going to put it in.
Okay, you should put it here.
Oh, fine.
Can you put it in the oven? Put it in the oven for baby and me.
Okay. Now, this is the oven. And this is the temperature.
Okay.
And I need hot warm.
For how many hours?
It says on this temperature.
Okay, what does it say?
First, it goes all the way to number 6.
Okay.
It went all the way to number 6.
Okay, be careful, use your mitts. It's hot.
It's actually warm.
Oh, it's warm.
Now I'm putting the cake on here. Smell.
Oh, wow. Show them your cake.
You want to smell?
Wow. That's
Now-
everything?
Yeah, now we gotta eat the cake.
Okay.
I'm going to use a spoon.
There.
Try.
Oh, nom, 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 nom. Let them try your cake too.
Have and try. They like it.
They like it, yeah.
Mmm. Try.
And that's everything for today?
And don't forget something else. It's all done.
Okay. Say goodbye, everyone, and thank you for watching.
Goodbye, everyone, and thank you for watching.
Like a TV show playing reruns. Every